delete a program in order to give us some space. So you've got to be in the program list screen which you're in. So go up to that one that's 2123. Down to that one, 2123. Yeah, and you want to press delete. So change your menu up a bit, up a step, and press delete. And then it says press input to execute. So press your input key down the bottom there. Yep. Yep. And now it's saying yes or no. And you say yes. And that should have freed up some more memory. Now, to copy a program, cursor up to my program that says copy, that program number 2, and press copy up the top there, yeah, copy, and then cursor down and put number 3 in there, input, yep, and then cursor down, and we'll call that tool set. So just type in there tool set. Yep. Your space key's that one there. Yep. Yep. Cursor down to execute. Oh, input that, sorry. Press input. Puts it there. Then go down again to execute. Cursor down. Now press input. And that's done it. Okay? So that's how you copy a program.